Part C is asking about Bank B, which offers a 9.5% APR amortized over 30 years, 360 monthly payments. There's a 3% loan fee, which is a one-time upfront charge of 3% of the loan amount. So the loan amount was going to be $90,000. So 3% of $90,000 means, remember, we can use 3% times 90,000. That equals $2,700. So that's going to be added on to the loan amount because we've already spent all our down payment. So we're going to pay a little bit more, but our interest rate is a little bit less. So we're curious who's going to have a better deal for us. Our rate for this loan is 9.5%. I'll go ahead and use it as a percent in this calculation. And our N is 12. Our T is 30. And they're telling us our NT as well, which is 360, the total number of payments. So let's plug all that into our formula. So we're looking for PMT equals, our purchase amount is going to be our 92,700 times the R, 0.095, whoops, 9.5% over N, which is 12, 1 minus 1 plus 9.5% over 12 to the negative 360. Since they gave us the NT, we may as well use it. First thing, let's find that 9.5% divided by 12. Make sure you put in the percent because we didn't convert it already. Divided by 12. And I get 0.007916 repeating. I will store that in A. And then I'm just going to note that on my paper that this is stored in A. This is also stored in A. And the value is 0.007916 repeating. My numerator looks pretty easy. I just need to do 92,700 times A. And the A is already sitting on my calculator, so I'll just multiply by 92,700. Push enter, and I get a numerator value of 733.875. I'm going to go ahead and store that in B because it's fewer calculator keystrokes. Now you know how lazy I am. Store that in B. Lazy, or I'll say it's efficient, because really if I use my storage bins, I don't make a mistake when I'm retyping in a number. So I'm being smart, actually, not lazy, not entirely lazy. On the denominator then, I need to take 1 plus what's in my A. So I will do 1 plus recall A equals to the negative 360, so to the, not that negative, that won't work. It'll give me an error. Put that negative 360 equals, and then I have to take, I've done this entire part here, and now I have to do 1 minus that value on my calculator, which is stored in the answer bin, remember, so 1 minus answer, and I get 0.94. Last thing is to take B divided by the answer that's sitting on my calculator, so slide over to B, divided by answer equals. So the payment for Bank B is $779.47 per month. And it looks like even though Bank B had a higher amount financed, the $92,700, in the end it was going to be less per month for the same 30-year period because the interest rate was much lower. And with a loan of that size, the interest rate is going to matter a lot more